All right, let's go. So you've already range checked and all that other stuff, right? I think I'll do like you said, go to mid.
Okay. All right, Maiden flight.
I haven't used flaps on mine yet, can you believe it?
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, I still haven't used flaps on mine yet. I've just done carrier landings every time.
Okay.
Take it off! Does your timer go off the throttle?
Yeah.
Okay. Why is it advancing so slow? The throttle, did you hear it?
Yeah.
It went, "Ooh."
Recalibrated,
Maybe that's what did it. Okay.
You got the ear for everything, man. I'm telling you.
Yeah, well, normally it just
Yeah.
jams. Okay, take it off. Seems pretty good so far. Good thing I changed the ailerons. It's better. Now that you guys worked everything out, I can't take credit for that. Give us a little bit. Just flip the high. I think the CG is a little too far back.
A little too far back?
Yep. Just because it's super pitchy.
Oh, I see. So a little tail heavy.
Yeah. Maybe just a little, maybe not. Maybe it's just too much throw.
Okay.
It's really, do you like it this touchy though?
Well, I like it, normal.
Responsive?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it responsive, so
Okay.
you don't have to really jam on the.
Yeah. It's fine, great. Feels good.
Okay.
It's a little, you need a mix too, I forgot to tell you that.
Oh,
Yeah, but see the way it turns? With its butt kind of sagging?
Oh, I see.
That tells me that it's a little tail heavy.
Okay.
So when I turn, see how the tail's not leading?
Right.
That's just my thing. I mean, that could be the mix too. Yeah, see how responsive it is in pitch?
Right.
It's a little too much.
Oh, okay. So maybe the.
Let's move the battery forward a little bit more and cut the throw just a tad.
You land or?
Yeah, I'm gonna land. I haven't been flying full throttle, so I think the battery should be okay. Come around, do a gear pass, and then they're done.
10, gear down, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
That gear
4.
takes a long time. You landing full stop?
Not yet. Checking the gear first, then turning around.
1. Time expired.
Is this one yours, Jodel?
Yeah.
Okay, landing!
All right, landing.
Yeah, a little tail heavy. Just a tad.
So just move the battery
Yeah.
up a
And cut the throw just a little bit.
Oh, just the throw?
Throw and battery.
And battery.
Yeah, see, that's too pitchy.
Yeah.
A little too much. Ah. See, I couldn't stop it. All right. Maybe we'll try flaps next time too. I think we landed downwind. That's the problem.
Oh, what's up?
What's happening?
Alfonso!
See.
Okay, Blue Angel on the left.
They got to let them land first. Oh, they're on. Okay.
Hey, Jodel!
Yeah.
What's it like to have your plane come down on the ground?
Oh, he's landing. Crossing the field. Yeah, I couldn't level it.
Yeah. So if you drop the flaps, is it gonna still pitch up a little bit more?
It'll pitch up more. So what happened, what I noticed was, once the nose was up, it kept going up, which is a sign of being a little too tail heavy. So. Let me use my programming card on it too,
Okay.
just to get things right. Yes. So let me get the video. Oh, it's so pretty. It's all shiny.